Good morning, everyone. This is another example of a distance formula problem. The difference of this from other problems is that the distance between the 2 points h, -3, and 1, 9, distance is given. The distance between those 2 points is 13, but there's a missing variable h. So how are we going to solve this kind of problem? Find the unknown value, which is h, with the given endpoints and the distance between them. So of course we will use the distance formula, and let's say this is our x1, this is our y1, our x2, y2, and of course that 13 is our d. So the first step is we will substitute those values to the respective variables. So this will be 13 equals 1 minus h square plus 9 minus -3 square. Of course, the square root of that. So what I'm going to do here is I will first remove the radical sign. So to do that, I will square both sides. This will give me, the left side is going to be 13 times 13, which is equal to 169. Now that 1 minus h square, I'm going to solve that here on this side, or I will just do that here. So 1 minus h square. Okay, I'm just going to write it first. Plus, this one is 9 plus, that will be plus 3 square. Okay? So 169 equals, so I'm going to expand this. The meaning of that is 1 minus h times 1 minus h. But there's a formula for that. I will show you the formula here. So that's in the form of a minus b square, and that is equal to a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. Our a here is 1, so 1 square is 1. So minus 2 times a times b. So 2 times 1 is 2 times h. This is equal to 2h. Our b is h, so plus h square. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 square is 144. Next, we can combine 1 and 144, and that will give us 145. So this will be h squared minus 2h plus 145. So next step is I will subtract 169 on both sides. 0 equals h squared minus 2h. So 145 minus 169 equals negative 24. We have here a quadratic equation, and I think this can be factorized. So let's do that. In this kind of equation, we will be having two possible answers because it's a quadratic equation. So minus 2h minus 24. So I'm going to put h, and with that negative 24, we need to find the numbers that when multiplied, the answer is negative 24, and when added, the answer is negative 2. So we can have negative 6 times 4, right? Or maybe 6 times negative 4. So my advice is just list down the pairs that will give you a product of negative 24. So these are the possibilities. We can also have 12 times negative 1, negative 2 rather, and also negative 12 times positive 2. So we have 6 pairs here. Which pair will give us a sum of negative 2? This is not. This is not. This is negative 10. This is positive 10. This is positive 2. So this is the answer. This is what we're looking. Meaning the factors are minus 6 plus 4. So h plus 4 equals 0. Subtract 4 on both sides, therefore h equals negative 4. So that's 1. H minus 6 equals 0. Add 6, therefore h equals 6. So there you go. These are the possible values of h.